mo nang nasa isipan mo. You know what? You can still manifest kahit na nakikita mo na yung proof na itong taong to may third party or hindi blinak ka, matagal mag-reply. It doesn't matter. Ang tanging magmamatter lang dyan is kung ano yung kiniklaim mo sa ngayon. I have powerful bases here in the Bible. It says there, maraming verses dyan, guys, na nakasabi ka doon, walk by faith, not by sight. Kasi not everything that we see here is the truth. Kasi marami nangyari behind the scenes. And minsan nga, kahit binablock tayo ng isang tao, deep down, sobrang baliw pala sa'yo yung tao na yun. On the other hand, yung iba namang mapanloko na tao, minsan sinasabi nila sa'yo na mahal ka nila, pero behind the scenes pala ay hindi ka pala talaga niya mahal. So, you should always act or live your life according to faith, hindi dahil sa, ay nakita ko to, ito nararamdaman ko eh. Kasi ang heart natin, ang feelings, it's very deceitful. Mapanloko po kahit sa Bible nakalagay yan na ang puso natin ay deceitful. So, ask yourself, before you, like for example, meron kang kiniklaim na, okay, may gut feeling ka na ito may third party, itong tao na to. That is your gut feeling. Be careful of those feelings. Kasi minsan, if everyday pinanghawakan mo talagang, hindi, talagang nararamdaman ko to, ito talaga yung intuition ko eh. Not knowing, na intuition mo, nagkaka-hold on mo dun sa intuition mo na yan, for the sake na tama yung intuition mo na yan, na ma-manifest mo yung bagay that is not aligned with what you want. So for this one, wag ka mag-aalala, Ma'am Kath, kasi I'm seeing here that your person here would be willing to offer you cup of love. We have here the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Cups. However, this person is not yet, hindi pa siya nandito sa space na, okay, andito na ako. If there's one thing that is stopping him from moving forward, from taking this cup, or from telling you this, it's because of your thoughts here. Parang feeling mo restricted ka dito, feeling mo hindi mo makita yung full picture dito. Pero wag ka mag-alala kasi lahat naman talaga tayo dito sa 3D realm. Hindi naman talaga natin nakikita 100% lahat ng mga feelings ng mga tao eh. Pero you can also use this to your advantage. Now na hindi mo nakikita, instead of you visualize things that are not aligned with what you want, mag-visualize ka ng mga positive things. Like I said, a negative mind will never give you positive results. There's no such thing as everyday panghahawakan mo yung gut feelings mo that this